Hello, future engineers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the rectangular pattern tool inside of Inventor. We're going to start with a 2D version, but also show a 3D version as well. So in a 2D version, if I'm inside of a sketch, and let's say I'm making this Lego block, and I want to have these pegs evenly spaced out across my design, I can go over to my rectangular pattern tool. Inside of here, I'm going to select a geometry as well as a direction. So with the geometry, I'm going to choose this, and then this direction, you can see that I still need it. I can choose a line. I have these lovely projected lines that I can choose either of them to choose a direction. We'll start with this one. And let's say that I want to have 5 of these each spaced out 2 inches between them. That gives me this nice spacing in between all of those. Let's say that I want to add another row above this. I can go over to my second direction, choose the vertical direction. This one is pointed the wrong way, so I can flip my direction right here and have them going upwards. For this one, I can space it out. I believe I made it a 1.5. It's not a perfect Lego block, but that's just the idea that we can quickly make this pattern over and over again. When I hit OK, I now have these and I've got these locked dimensions that I can go and change and modify if I want to change the pattern of my design. But let's say that we want to do this in a 3D space. We can go and finish our sketch and hit the extrude to move up this peg. I'll move it up like 0.3. There we go. Now, if I want this, I can again go over to my pattern and choose the rectangular pattern. It works very much the same as the other one, but this time it's asking for what feature. So I can select it over here or by hovering over inside of my 3D view. I'll click the feature and then go over to my direction, choose this edge, and again, we'll do 2 in between and we'll make sure that there are 5 of these. And I can choose my next direction by swapping over to direction 2, place it over here, use my flip, and increase the spacing to 1.5. There are some benefits to doing a 3D instead of a 2D pattern. It just simplifies some of the structure, and if I want to make changes, I'm now making changes inside of a much simpler sketch than in something that had all of those features before. So there's advantages, pros and cons to both, but I hope that this was helpful. I'll talk to you later. Bye.